How to analyze data faster. We have two type of forwarders. Now we are using filter formula for filter the selected forwarder data. Start from equal and then type filter. Open the bracket. Select the containers column range. And now select forwarder column range. Then press equal sign. And select the required forwarder. Now type your empty cell value. So we type here no containers in inverted comma. And then close bracket. And press enter. And same formula in next column. Please like, share, and subscribe to MTM Tech. See you in the next video.